Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can improve your battery life on iPhone, and how you can check that how many application and what are the application you are using mostly in month or for weeks. So before I start, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, or if you are already my subscriber, thanks a lot. You need to go to settings and the display and brightness option. So from here what you can see is like night shift mode. So this is basically to reduce your screen resolution and the brightness. This making so much easier for your battery life. So I'm always using from 10 o'clock to 6 a.m. morning. So this is really making easy for my battery life. Also I would like to suggest to go to your battery option, and from here like I'm opening it. So here is battery. Okay, from battery life what you can see, like from the down yes, we need to select the 7 days and click on that clock button on the right side. So then you can see that mostly using application will appear in that front side. So these are the things you can improve, or you can explore with that to improve your battery life. And below that you can see that my battery life is giving the standard standby and the maximum lifetime. So this is it.